Hi, welcome to my channel. In this section, I wish to take a class 8 topic. Let's start with the first chapter, rational numbers. In lower classes, you have come across various numbers such as natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers, etc. Let's recall natural numbers. Natural numbers are the counting numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Whole numbers. Whole numbers are the set of 0 and the natural numbers, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Integers. An integers is a number which has no fractional part. It can be negative, 0 or positive, that is negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. The set of integers consists of 0, natural numbers and their additive inverses. Positive integers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Negative integers are negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, etc. 0 is neither positive nor negative. Then rational number. A rational number is any number that can be expressed as a ratio of two integers. Example, 2 by 5, negative 7 by 8, 3 by 4, etc. It is denoted by the symbol Q, which derives from a German word quotient, means ratio. Let us define a rational number. A number that can be expressed in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal 0 is called a rational number. Let's explore some properties of numbers. First one, closure property. A set of numbers are closed under a binary operation if and only if the operation on any two numbers of the set produces another number of the same set. Let us check the closure property by taking some whole numbers, integers and rational numbers. Take some whole numbers and check addition. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. It's a whole number. 8 plus 0 is equal to 8, a whole number. That is, sum of two whole numbers is always a whole number. So, addition is closed. Subtraction. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1, a whole number. But 4 minus 5 is equal to minus 1, it is not a whole number. That is, the difference between two whole numbers is not always a whole number. So, subtraction is not closed. Multiplication. 0 into 5 is equal to 0, a whole number. Similarly, 3 into 5 is equal to 15, a whole number. So, multiplication is closed. Division. 5 divided by 9 is equal to 5 by 9 is not a whole number. So, division is not closed. Next, closure property of integers. Let's select some integers and check addition. Negative 5 plus 8 equals 3, an integer. Negative 8 plus negative 5 is equal to negative 13, an integer. So, addition is closed. Subtraction. 3 minus 4 is equal to negative 1, an integer. Similarly, minus 4 minus 3 is equal to negative 7, an integer. Subtraction is closed. Multiplication. Negative 4 into 2 is equal to negative 8, an integer. Negative 3 into negative 5 is equal to 15, an integer. So, multiplication is closed. Division. Negative 3 divided by 4 is equal to negative 3 by 4 is not an integer. So, division is not closed. Then rational numbers. Let us select some rational numbers and check addition. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 is equal to 3 by 4. It's a rational number. Negative 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 4, a rational number. So, addition is closed. Subtraction. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 4, a rational number. 1 by 4 minus 3 by 4 is equal to negative 1 by 2, a rational number. So subtraction is closed. Multiplication. 1 by 3 into 2 by 5 is equal to 2 by 15, a rational number. Negative 1 by 4 into 3 by 4 is equal to negative 3 by 16, a rational number. So multiplication is also closed. Division. 1 by 2 divided by 0 is not defined. That is, division by 0 is not possible. So division is not closed. Now we can conclude that whole numbers are closed under addition and multiplication. Integers are closed under addition, subtraction and multiplication. Rational numbers are closed under addition, subtraction and multiplication. Let's discuss what is commutative property. A binary operation is commutative if changing the order of operands does not change the result. Let's check the commutativity of whole numbers, integers and rational numbers. Take some whole numbers and check addition. 0 plus 5 is equal to 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. Also 4 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Even after we change the order, we get the same answer. So addition is commutative. Subtraction. 3 minus 5 is equal to negative 2, but 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Here we get different answers. So subtraction is not commutative. Multiplication. 0 into 7 is equal to 7 into 0 equals 0. Also 2 into 5 is equal to 5 into 2 is equal to 10. In both cases, we get the same answer. So multiplication is commutative. Division. 0 divided by 5 is equal to 0, but 5 divided by 0 is not defined. So division is not commutative. Let us take some integers and check. Addition. Negative 3 plus 5 is equal to 5 plus negative 3 is equal to 2. Also, negative 2 plus negative 3 is equal to negative 3 plus negative 2 is equal to negative 5. In both cases, we get same answer. So, addition is commutative. Subtraction. Negative 4 minus 5 is equal to negative 9. But 5 minus 4 is equal to 9. We get different answers. So, subtraction is not commutative. Multiplication. Negative 5 into 3 is equal to negative 15. Also, 3 into minus 5 is equal to negative 15. So, multiplication is commutative. Division. 2 divided by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. But 4 divided by 2 is equal to, here we get a different answers. So, division is not commutative. Let us select some rational numbers and check. Addition. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 is equal to 3 by 4. Similarly, negative 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 4 plus negative 1 by 2 is equal to negative 1 by 4. Addition is commutative. Subtraction. 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 is equal to negative 1 by 4. But 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 4. So, subtraction is not commutative. Multiplication. 1 by 3 into 2 by 5 is equal to 2 by 15. Also, 2 by 5 into 1 by 3 is equal to 2 by 15. We get same answer. So, multiplication is commutative. Division. 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 4 into 2 by 1 is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2 into 4 by 1 is equal to. We get different answers. So division is not commutative. Now we can conclude that Only addition and multiplication is commutative. Let us define commutativity in addition. For any two numbers a and b, a plus b is equal to b plus a. Commutativity in multiplication. For any two numbers a and b, a into b is equal to b into a. Remember that subtraction and division is not commutative. Let's discuss the next property, associativity. Associativity defines that grouping of more than two numbers and performing the binary operation produces the same result. Let us take some whole numbers and check addition. 0 plus 6 plus 3 is equal to 0 plus 9 is equal to 9. 0 plus 6 plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. In both cases, we get the same answer. For addition, we can group the numbers in any order. So, addition is associative. Subtraction. 0 minus 2 minus 3 is equal to 0 plus 1. That is equal to 1. 0 minus 2 minus 3 is equal to negative 2 minus 3 is equal to negative 5. We get different answers. So, subtraction is not associative. Multiplication. 0 into 5 into 6 is equal to 0 into 30 is equal to 0. 0 into 5 into 6 equals 0 into 6 is equal to 0. We get same answer. So, multiplication is associative. Division. 10 divided by 0 divided by 4 is equal to 10 divided by 0. Now, 10 divided by 0 is not defined. So, division is not associative. Integers. Let us take some integers and check addition. Negative 1 plus negative 2 plus 3 is equal to negative 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Negative 1 plus negative 2 plus 3 is equal to negative 3 plus 3 equals 0. Addition is associative. Subtraction. Negative 4 minus 2 minus 4 is equal to negative 4 minus minus 2 is equal to negative 4 plus 2 is equal to negative 2. Negative 4 minus 2 minus 4 is equal to negative 6 minus 4 is equal to negative 10. Here we get different answers. So, subtraction is not associative. Multiplication. Negative 5 into 2 into minus 3 is equal to negative 5 into negative 6 is equal to 30. Negative 5 into 2 into negative 3 is equal to negative 10 into negative 3, that is equal to 30. Same answer. So, multiplication is associative. Division. Negative 3 divided by 4 divided by 5 is equal to negative 3 divided by 4 by 5. Take the reciprocal of 4 by 5 and multiply by 3, we get negative 3 into 5 by 4 is equal to negative 15 by 4. But negative 3 divided by 4 divided by 5 is equal to negative 3 divided by 4 divided by 5. Take the reciprocal of 5 and multiply by 3 by 4, we get negative 3 by 4 into 1 by 5 is equal to negative 3 by 20. Here also we get different answers. So, division is not associative. Then, rational numbers. Now, let us take some rational numbers and check. Addition. Negative 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 is equal to negative 1 by 2 plus 4 by 4 is equal to negative 1 by 2 plus 1, that is equal to 1 by 2. Negative 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 is equal to negative 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 is equal to 2 by 4, that is also equal to 1 by 2. Here we get same answers, so addition is associative. Subtraction. 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 is equal 0. 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4 is equal to minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 is equal to minus 1 by 2. Different answers, so subtraction is not associative. Then multiplication. 1 by 2 into 3 by 4 into minus 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2 into negative 3 by 16. That is equal to negative 3 by 32. Also 1 by 2 into 3 by 4 into negative 1 by 4 is equal to 3 by 8 into negative 1 by 4. That is equal to negative 3 by 32. We get same answers. So multiplication is associative. Division. 3 by 4 divided by 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 4 is equal to 3 by 4 divided by 1 by 2 into 4 by 1. That is equal to 3 by 4 divided by 2. That is equal to 3 by 8. Then 3 by 4 divided by 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 4 is equal to 3 by 4 into 2 by 1 divided by 1 by 4. That is equal to 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 4 is equal 6. We get different answers. So division is not associative. Now we can conclude that only addition and multiplication is associative. Let us define associative property in addition. For any three numbers A, B, C, A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Associativity in multiplication. For any three numbers A, B and C, A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. Next property. The role of 0. 0 is called the additive identity of rational numbers. That is, if we add 0 to any number, we get the same number. That means A by B plus 0 is equal to 0 plus A by B is equal to A by B. For example, 3 by 4 plus 0 is equal to 0 plus 3 by 4. That is equal to 3 by 4. Similarly, 0 is the additive identity for integers and whole numbers too. Next, the role of 1. 1 is called the multiplicative identity of rational numbers. That is, if we multiply 1 to any number, we get the same number. That means A by B into 1 is equal to 1 into A by B is equal to A by B. For example, 2 by 5 into 1 is equal to 1 into 2 by 5. That is equal to 2 by 5. Similarly, 1 is the multiplicative identity for integers and whole numbers also. Negative of a number, that is additive inverse. For a rational number A by B, if A by B plus minus A by B is equal to minus A by B plus A by B is equal to 0, then minus A by B is the additive inverse of A by B and A by B is the additive inverse of minus A by B. For example, if 3 by 4 plus negative 3 by 4 is equal to 0, then negative 3 by 4 is the additive inverse of 3 by 4. Also, 3 by 4 is the additive inverse of minus 3 by 4. Then reciprocal, that is multiplicative inverse. A rational number C by D is called the reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of another number A by B if A by B into C by D is equal to 1. Remember that B by A is the multiplicative inverse of A by B and minus B by A is the multiplicative inverse of negative A by B. For example, if 3 by 4 into 4 by 3 is equal to 1, then 4 by 3 is the multiplicative inverse of 3 by 4 or 3 by 4 is the multiplicative inverse of 4 by 3. That's all for today. Hope you understand the topic. Please subscribe my channel to get next videos. Thank you.